Are you aware that Tomoe engineering is involved in many items used in our daily lives? Tomoe Engineering's products support affluent and comfortable lifestyles. Tomoe Engineering Company Limited was established in 1941. In 1950, not long after the end of World War II, it concluded a technical assistance agreement with Sharples Corporation in the U.S. and began operations as a centrifuge manufacturer. It entered the import and sales business as a trading company for industrial chemical products and was the first company to import polyethylene in 1952 from the U.S. Since then, it has moved forward as a unique company encompassing both manufacturing and trading elements. In 1970, the manufacturing division entered the environmental protection-related business, supplying equipment for industrial wastewater treatment and municipal sewage treatment. In 1989, the trading division began its venture into overseas markets, establishing a plant in Shenzhen, China. Tomoe Engineering's business is largely divided into two domains. One is the machinery and equipment business that manufactures and markets products, including centrifuges. The other is the chemical products business that imports and sells advanced products in a wide range of fields, especially industrial chemical products. The company has achieved considerable growth with these two separate business divisions, each with unique characteristics and strengths, serving as two wheels on the same axle. The network of Tomoe Engineering expands domestically and globally. In our machinery and equipment business, we focus on overseas markets centered around China and North America. At the same time, at home, we are tackling uncovering of replacement demand for sewage treatment by introducing our strategic equipment. In addition to developing and launching new products, our chemical products division is accelerating overseas operations. We will continue to work on improving our performance by facilitating alignment between our overseas and domestic groups. Centrifuges are the key products of our machinery and equipment business. With a centrifugal force generated by high-speed rotation separates substances according to differences in specific gravity. Centrifuges are used in many industrial fields, including food, fishery, environmental protection, chemicals, steel, power generation, pharmaceuticals, and recycling. As a leading manufacturer of decanter-type centrifuges, Tomoe Engineering has greatly contributed to Japan's industrial progress. Sewage treatment facilities clean the wastewater from homes and factories before returning it to nature. Centrifuges are used to separate water from the sludge. Utilizing our experience and performance accumulated over a long period, we make the most of water resources and contribute to the maintenance and improvement of the living environment so that we can live in harmony with nature. The petrochemical industry is one of the industries that have supported Japan's high economic growth. Polyester, required for making clothes and PET bottles, has become a daily necessity, and our centrifuges play an active role in the process of producing terephthalic acid, the main raw material for it. We also have in place a plastics recycle system that effectively and reliably separates and recovers plastics from plastic refuse and PET bottles. Tomoe centrifuges are employed in the processing of foods in general, such as pasta, bread, seasonings, and juice. They are also used in the processing of food products such as fish paste, beer, soy milk, and various kinds of extracts, as well as in the separation of various microbial cells and proteins for pharmaceuticals, where sanitation is vital. In recent years, our centrifuges have been used for mud weight control in oil drilling sites in the U.S. We began shipping them in 2012 when the American shale oil and shale gas boom started, brought on by the country's energy revolution. We will continue to develop this business as one of the main pillars of our machinery and equipment business operations in North America. Tomoe has production bases for the machinery and equipment business in Yamato City, Kanagawa Prefecture in Japan, and Shanghai in China. The Sagami factory in Yamato is our main factory for the production of centrifuges. Tomoe Engineering Shanghai Company Limited, a 100% subsidiary, has been established to carry out production in China. In the growing economies of China and Southeast Asia, we will focus on petrochemicals and food industries, business areas in which we have demonstrated our strength in Japan. Tomoe Engineering USA Incorporated, a 100% subsidiary, has been established near Houston in Texas. As a base for the company's North American operations, it is exerting effort in sales and technical services. In our machinery and equipment business, we continue to serve on the front line as the pioneer of centrifuges. Backed by sophisticated technical capability fostered over more than 70 years, we continue to respond to requests from a variety of fields both in Japan and abroad. Sagami factory of Tomoe Engineering is located at Yamato City in Kanagawa Prefecture. The factory was opened up in 1969. It underwent large-scale renovation in 2014 and now has around 150 employees. The main factory of Tomoe Engineering, which manufactures centrifuges. That is the Sagami factory. The production department manufactures centrifuges. Materials are processed using machinery such as lathes and balancing machines and assembled into centrifuges as a complete unit. The production control department takes charge of material procurement and process control. The materials procured are stored in the warehouse and taken out in accordance with the production schedule. The production control department controls the overall manufacturing process to ensure that shipment of finished products is as scheduled. The quality assurance department conducts inspection of assembled products. In order to ensure that products are shipped in perfect condition, various product inspections are carried out at the company's inspection site. The responsibilities of the department include inspection of delivered parts using devices such as a three-dimensional measuring device to ensure their quality. The design and development sector consists of the mechanical engineering department and the technical development department. The Mechanical Engineering Department is in charge of the designs of all the machinery related to centrifuges and those of electrical instrumentation. The Technical Development Department modifies the design specifications according to customers' requirements and develops centrifuges which suit varying customer needs. The experiment and analysis sector is conducted by the Technical Center. The Technical Center carries out experiments and analysis of samples from customers to meet their requirements. The technical center staff welcome customers and attend to their selection of a machine which fits their specific needs. Finally, the administrative department. The department takes care of overall factory management, including cost accounting, building and repairing, and coordination between departments. Another important role of the department is management of all the environment-responsive facilities, such as solar power generation equipment. Sagami Factory, a key manufacturing factory of Tomoe Engineering, will continue to manufacture products providing customer satisfaction utilizing its technological strength.